Okay, welcome back, folks. Happy next day after Christmas. Hopefully, it was a good holidays for you guys, or at least Christmas, and then coming up with New Year's, right? So, anyways, a couple months back, a few months back, I don't know, something like that, hasn't been here. I went and picked up one of these NeoTecs. I'm not sure why. Actually, got a 390 to build in there, and that would probably be a more preferred big saw. But I decided to go ahead and pick one of these up and see what it was like. The only downer after checking all the nuts and bolts, the inside dog bottom bolt down here, it snapped off. I didn't hardly torque it, and just screwing it in there, it kind of just snapped. So that's the only bummer about it. Everything else seemed to be pretty decent. So this is actually going to be the very first startup of this saw. So you're hearing how it starts. From it feels like good compression. Just basically checked all the nuts and bolts, make sure they were good, and go from there. So this is the first firing and tuning, and then we'll get into making a couple cuts as well in here. So let's go. Ooh, not bad. Well, let's pop this cover since I'm having a hard time seeing the screws. All right. in that high idle in, and it doesn't want to adjust. So let's get it a little bit more. Let's see. Well, it's not like a 372, that's for sure. Are you kidding me? Huh. The paws are not engaging. Oh, there's one. Wow, so much for that. Anyways, well, the starter paws are not engaging into the pull cord, so back to the drawing board on this one. So anyways, carburetor wasn't quite, you know, adjusting well, and now all of a sudden have to figure out the starter paws. So NeoTec has some work to do. All right, later.